Hey guys, of course, when it comes to talk about how you can get more traffic to your own website and your blog post is not easy as you can think of. But with proper approaches, you can get more visitors to your own website professionally and legally. Thus, in this video, I'm gonna show you 5 stunning ways to get that done. So now, let's dive in. And the first way for sure is optimize your own article to SEO on Google. And for sure, I just don't mean that you can optimize your articles chasing keywords, long tail keywords, and subscribe in different websites out there and so on. But here, you can actually optimize your articles just to involve different amazing resources from Google itself, and Google loves it. For example, you can look for the people also ask questions here. You can answer some videos from YouTube and so on. Or it's better for you to go to this amazing website as neuronwriter.com. Here, just you can optimize your own articles and make your own piece of content superior to any competitor for the same keyword and the same niche. Here you can optimize your content so Google adores it. So it just uses all metrics from Google like keywords, search volume. People also ask questions, headings, subheadings involved in different competitors and so on. For example, here in my own experience and in my case, I just use it to increase my traffic to your own blog post from Google itself. Here just by showing the score of your SEO for your own piece of content, as you see, with different metrics here, long tail keywords, short tail keywords and so on, and go through different outlines, AI writing, smart headings, questions from Google itself, questions from your competitors and so on, as you see. Just in one place you can optimize your own article to get more traffic from Google itself. So the first approach here, you've got to optimize your own article to get traffic from Google itself. And the second approach for sure is promoting your articles on Pinterest.com. For sure, we all know Pinterest. People love Pinterest for visual attraction. Here you can get more traffic to your own blog post like a boss. And just I know many gurus depend on Pinterest only to get huge traffic and run different ads like Medivine, Google AdSense on their blogs and make money. So you can do that as well just by using Pinterest in a proper strategy. Here you've got to make your own Pinterest optimized for keywords. Just optimize your posts, your Pinterest pin and so on. And regarding your Pinterest pin, the key to get more traffic to your own articles, you've got to keep it in this magic formula. Like you can make a vertical and long Pinterest pin with amazing overlay text. In the first one, I talked about how you can make this amazing golden formula. You can find this video down below in the description box in the first comment. Okay, so you can actually rely on Pinterest for sure to get traffic to your own website. And for example, this one is for me, like 30 real business ideas for mom without degree, as you see. So I can use this amazing simple Pinterest pin to get traffic to my own blog post regarding this amazing topic. And the third strategy here you can depend on to get more traffic to your own website for sure by publishing your own article in popular websites to get link packs to your own website. Like on medium.com, LinkedIn, Squarespace, Tumblr and so on. Because all these platforms enjoy high domain authority on Google and help your own article to rank higher on Google search results rather than the genuine visitors of this platform itself. So here you can use medium.com to get more traffic to your own website. Like this one, for example, I just write here an article about 2 different digital products that you can create under 10 minutes. And here I just include different link packs to my own website talking about relevant topics, as you see. Like regarding here digital products, the top 17 free platforms for selling your digital products and so on. So here it's relevant and related topic here, single person, clicks over this one, you will be taken to my own blog post talking about this amazing topic, and so on and so forth. That way you can create link back to your own website and valuable backlinks for your own website. Okay, perfect. And for sure as well on LinkedIn, if your niche regarding the leadership, business, creation, content, and so on, here you can create your own article from this option. Write your article. And of course, simple words, you can publish your own article or your idea in different guest posting websites to get more traffic back to your own website. And for sure, just leave down below in the description box in the first comment the big list of 250 websites to enable you to guest posting completely for free. So check out this in the description box in the first comment. And the next way here you can actually use it to get more traffic to your own blog post, and it's a tricky one, by using carousel posts on social media. Yes, you heard that right. If you are on TikTok, Pinterest, Instagram, and so on, you need this amazing magic and golden post to get more traffic to your own website legally and professionally. And thus, I just recommend you this amazing tool that is Remo Carousel. Here you can create your own carousel post just in few seconds, and that make your own carousel post of a specific part of this blog post and increase the curiosity of these visitors to go to the link in the first comment and the link to the bio to read the whole article or the whole information as you want. So you can just divide your own blog post to different 4 or 5 segments, and every single segment just is considered as a carousel post to get more traffic to the whole form or the whole article. So how you can do that, Riemann? Simply, for sure, if you just look for something like on budgeting niche, here like simple ways to save money for the future, how to save money, and 75 practical tips and so on. So I can take an example like this one, 7 tips to save money and reduce costs. Here, click over this one. Then you've got to just take a simple one of these examples. So like this one for sure here, like treat savings like a regular pill. Okay, it's one strategy to save your money. So you can go back to Remo Carousel tool and here insert this amazing topic. Okay, then insert here your website or your name as a branding for yourself, like URL, your business name, link, and so on. So I can make it like Riemann Carousel, Riemann Passive, or something. Riemann. Here you can upload your own logo or your profile picture. Choose your font here, or upload your own font from your device. Choose your language. Here Riemann Carousel supports different languages, including Spanish, Portuguese, Arabic, Hindi, and so on. And here in this, the golden part of your Remo Carousel or your carousel post. Here add a call to action. For example, if just include here a segment or a part of your own blog post. So here you can drive people to the link in the bio to get the whole article. Like go to the link in the bio example or the rest of tabs to save your money. Just go to the first comment. Okay, and here you can add an emoji, okay, as an amazing visual effect perfectly. Then generate your slides. And here just in few seconds here you can find a stunning carousel post like take charge of your financial future today. Okay, and then you can find all these posts. This one, as you see here, just explains your tip. Stay consistent is more important. Then finally, to read the full guide, go to the first comment where you can actually insert your own blog post link. So people are just so that way you can get more traffic to your own website and your blog post from social media magically. And the last way for sure to get more traffic to your own website, just by making your newsletter or your campaigns regularly or email marketing. And for sure you can use any just email marketing tool or beehive.com. Here you can create your newsletter for free. So here you can build your email list and send your newsletter regularly, providing your value, and for sure just link back to your own website and your blog post in a beautiful and professional way. And of course, regarding how you can build your email list for free from scratch, you can find this amazing trick I just talked about using Canva only. You can find this video down below in the description box in the first comment. So you can check out all these links, all these resources I just mentioned in this video down below in the first comment and description box. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.